Welcome to 15 critical errors dealers make with their websites that's costing them millions and how to fix them all. I want to do a shout out before we start to all the dealers and people that are dealing with this hurricane right now in the Gulf. I've had numerous emails of people that signed up for this and said, I might be hunkered down, not sure I can make it. So again, a good shout out to them, and let's get started. First of all, let me just, if you're not sure who I am, my name is David Allen. I'm the CEO of Mail-Rite International. I've been in the car business for over 27 years. I'm a best-selling author of the $100 Million Playbook, Direct Mail for Business, and I've helped my clients generate billions in the auto industry. You know, after analyzing hundreds of dealer websites, along with conferring with some of the top internet marketers, I've compiled a list of 15 critical errors that if you make even one of them, can cost you numerous deals. Number one, phone numbers. I'm talking about voice and text. Do not make customers look for it. Put it in the upper right-hand corner. The reason that's in the upper right-hand corner, research has showed that's one of the first places that most people look. So make sure that's where it's at. Number two, your address. Too many dealers hide it. People want to know who you are, where you are, and how do I get a hold of you? Don't make customers look for it. I can't tell you how many times during this research and other times of doing work for dealers that I would be looking for their address or their phone number on their website, and I can't find it. You know, you're going to the contact page, you're looking up and down, you go to the top of the page, the bottom of the page, and you're like baffled, like where is their phone number? Where is their address? Don't make people look for it. That should be one of the first things that you do. So don't make that critical error, please. Again, upper right-hand corner. Number three, a link to text us. That's how most people today want to communicate. They want to text you. If you think about it, most people text each other. They text friends. They text companies. They text. So you want to create text me buttons on your website for each department, for every employee in that department, and it should also work on their smartphones so that if they're not at their desk and someone texts them, they can still respond immediately. If you don't have that capability, ask us, we do, and we can help you. Number four, links working, email, text links, your photo links, your department links. Don't assume everything works. The other day, about 3 weeks ago, I was doing some work and looking at a dealer website, and I went to email them, and when you clicked on the email, it went to a blank page. So I clicked on somebody else's email, blank page. So I proceeded to test everyone's picture and link, and they all didn't work. So a customer going to their website, wanting to get a hold of them and not wanting to talk to them, just wanting to email, can't. So please make sure all your links are working. Email, text, photos, departments, and again, do not assume. The staff page. It's very, very important. Make sure you have one. People feel if you don't have a staff page that you're hiding something. And that will make people question you. And that is a trust issue. And if they are not sure if they can trust you, they will surely not buy from you. Also, make no missing or grayed out photos. Again, if you talk to someone at the dealership and now you're on their website, and it happens a lot of times to all of us, we talk to somebody, we happen to be on their website, what's this person look like? Let me get a better connection than I already have. And when you go there and the website has a missing or no photo of that person, again, you start to question. Why don't they have a picture of him? Why is it grayed out? Is he new? Do they like him? Is there a problem? You don't want people questioning anything when you're dealing with your website. When their mind questions when it's missing, it makes customers feel more connected to you when they can see your picture, okay? I want you to keep in mind something here. Your website, it's an experience. It may be the only one that they have with you. Any discomfort, any confusion, any aggravation will influence their feelings about buying from you. And remember, they're always a click away from saying, sayonara. Make sure you have email and text buttons on everyone in the staff page. Please go to the next video for part 2 of 15 critical errors dealers make that cost them millions and how to fix them all.